Assalamu alaikum everyone. I'm just going to continue with this exponential equation questions, which was supposed to be your homework, but nobody sent it to me. Okay, I'm going to do these questions, guys. Okay, let's start. Okay, on task 14, question 2a, because I've done the other questions, guys, only from question 2a, 2a, b, c, and the rest of the questions were left. That's why I'm going to start from 2a. All right, the question says 27 to the power of x, as you can see, 27 to the power of x equals to 81. Now, how are we going to do this question? So to do this question, I need to know when I write this number 27 as an exponent, what it is going to be, and 81, when I write it as an exponent, what it is going to be. Okay, guys, 27 is 3 to the power of 2, right? And 81 is 3 to the power of 4, because if 4 times you say 3 times 3 times 3 times 3, you will get 81. All right, so if you say 3 to the power of 3 for 27, as you can see, the power is x. X is the power of 27, so it's going to be 3 to the power of 3 to the power of x equals to 3 to the power of 4, right? So the power of power will be multiplied. So I'm going to say 3 times x, that will be 3 to the power of 3x equals to 3 to the power of 4. Right. So once my bases are the same, as you can see 3 and 3, then I can work out with the powers. So in the powers, I have 3x and 4. 3x equals to 4, just a normal equation. Then x will be, divide both sides by 3. 3x divided by 3 will be x. 4 divided by 3 will be 4 over 3. So x will be equals to 4 over 3. All right. 2b. The question says 2 to the power of 2x minus 4 equals to 32 to the power of x minus 2. All right, same thing, guys. So the only thing I need to do is to make the bases the same. So when I look at it now, 2, I can't simplify it anymore. So what I can do is I will try to write 32 as an exponent, which will have the same base as this equation here, 2. Okay, so 2 to the power of 2x minus 4 equals to, instead of 32, guys, as you can see, I'm going to write 2 to the power of 5, because 2 to the power of 5 is 32. And then the power of 32 is x minus 2. I'm going to write it here, x minus 2. And then remember the rule, the power of power will be multiplied. Then it's going to be this. I'm going to rewrite it. 2 to the power of 2x minus 4 equals to 2 to the power of 5 times x will be 5x. 5 times negative 2 will be negative 10. So 2 to the power of 2x minus 4 equals 2 to the power of 5x minus 10. So again, as you can see, I have the same basis. Then I'm going to work out with the powers. So 2x minus 4 equals to 5x minus 10. I'm going to put the unknowns one side and the knowns one side. Right, so 2x is here. Take this 5x, put it the other side, is going to be negative 5x. Remember, when we move anything around the equation, we're going to have to change the sign. So 2x minus 5x equals to negative 10 is here. Take this negative for this side, it's going to be positive 4. So when you work it out, 2x minus 5x will be negative 3x equals to negative 10 plus 4, it's going to be negative 6. Divide both sides by negative 3, x is going to be 2. Do not make a mistake here. Negative divided by negative is going to be positive. That's why negative 3x divided by negative 3 is x. Negative 6x divided by negative 3, again, negative divided by negative 3 will be positive. That's why your answer is going to be 2. Okay. Question 2c, 9 to the power of x plus 1 equals times 27 to the power of x minus 1 equals to 1. Right. So again, what I'm going to do is this, try to write these numbers in a way that I will have the same basis. So 9 is, when you write it as an exponent, it becomes 3 to the power of 2. Then there's a power on 9, x plus 1. So 3 to the power of 2 to the power of x plus 1 times 3 to the power of 3 for 27. 27, when we write it as an exponent, is 3 to the power of 3. And there's a power on it, to the power of x minus 4 equals to 1. Guys, since I have the base of 3 here, I want all of the bases to be the same. So I'm going to write 3 to the power of 0 for 1, which will be 1. Remember, the 0 power of all the numbers is 1. Okay, so now I have 3 to the power of 2x plus 2 times 3 to the power of 3x minus 12 equals to 3 to the power of 0. Guys, remember when we are doing multiplication, when we have the same bases, we add the powers. 2x plus 2 plus 3x minus 12. When you work it out, it's going to be 5x, 2x, right, plus 3x will be 5x, 2 plus negative 12 will be negative 10, right, equals to 0. You can see here the power is 0. So 5x minus 10 equals to 0, then 5x will be, take this negative 10 to the other side of the equation, will be positive 10, divide both sides by 5, then you will get 2. Okay, right, that was it. I'm going to continue with the other questions.